My name is Jason, and I'm one of the co-founders of Genius Voice. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a text analysis tool that can help you as a conversation designer get better insights into what's on your user's mind. Via this tool, you can upload your own Excel file, identify and extract phrases, clean up and normalize phrases, and look for specific words or word combinations. Without further ado, let's move on to this notebook. Okay. For this video, we'll be focusing on the capabilities of this tool. So we'll just go and start from the part where we can get all of the results. And in this step, we've already executed all of the previous steps to get to this final part. In this final part, there are three important components. The first one is the part that we can clean our data. The second part is that we can filter on certain word or word combinations. And the third part is that we can plot a beautiful plot with the frequency distribution of the most frequently used words in your data. Okay, so from here we have a few variables that we can change. If I want to transform my text into lowercase, then I can set this to true. If I don't want it, I can just simply change it to false. And that's the same for all the booleans that are listed here. So if I want to remove stop words, I'd set it to true. And if I want to remove punctuations, I will set it to true. And if I want to remove extra white space, then I can set it to true. And if I don't want it, of course, then I just simply have to change it into false. Okay. Furthermore, we have two other variables that can be quite handy. In this first variable, we can pass words that we want to exclude as well. So think here about stop words that you don't want to display in the final result. In the second part, we can include words that we would like to filter on. So for example, I would love to filter on word combination show flights and run this code. And here we can see a beautiful plot that gives us the word distribution. And we can see here that flights is the most frequently used words. That makes sense as we are filtering on that specific word and show. And if we look here at the data frame, and if I expand it, then we can see that we have sentences that only contain the word show flights. And this can be quite handy so that we can get a better idea of user intents and what they are looking for. And that's basically how you can use this tool. You can just change a few variables here, pass other words that you would like to filter on, and just press on this beautiful play button here on the left side. And the output of this is a beautiful plot and a beautiful data frame that you can expand so that you can also check all of the questions that your users are asking. All right, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions about this tool, please feel free to reach out to us, and we hope to see you next time again.